Pretty big day today. This 1938 Tanner has been under wraps. Inside, it's had a hard life. The original copper tank. We currently have some wonderful indoor-outdoor flow, and water's been getting in, so this is reality. Rock, missing bits. Quite concerned about the structure collapsing. I've got a pretty open view of one side. I was hoping to save a little bit of the framing, but it's just absolutely shot. I'm going with the traditional lap joints that they've been using in this Caravan. Pretty good, nice and easy. Add a couple of screws, it's quite a strong joint.
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn.
Definitely a tale of two halves at the moment. One half new and one half is still pretty knackered. Just checked it for squareness and it's pretty spot on, quite important especially for the windows. Glorious moment of truth. Will the panels fit back on to the new framework? Let's give it a go. Oh, must have done something right. Pretty happy with that.
Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keep rolling on.
Just about back to where I began, except nice and solid now. Looking pretty good. Time for a project update. Looking good, looking awesome. Stage 2 begins.
Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. I told her love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away.
Sometimes it's kind of nice just to take a little sneak preview of what the future holds for the end look. It's time for this old roof to go. It's done its dash. Canvas will be replaced with fiberglass. This will be lined with plywood and then fiberglass over the top. Long grain bendy ply, meaning you can bend it really nice and easy. Good old F-clamps, best of friends when you need them. Worst of enemies when you forget that you've put it there and then walk into it with your head.
Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning coin. Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning.
That is the last piece of plywood done for the roof. Every last little piece of rot or anything that had bore in it is completely gone.
Burning coin. Lord, I don't need no preacher, just that dust roll to join.
Just gone around and put all the guttering back up. When things are going back on permanently, and today is that day for the gutter and the awning track. Time to paint this roof. So now it's time for 2 coats of clear.
Through the valley, wind hums through my head. Yeah, I'm rolling through the valley.
Time to move on to the next stage, and that's stripping the paint. It's something I'm not a big fan of. It's been 6 minutes and we're ready to roll.
Wind hums through my head.
This body lift off the chassis or the piece of wood as a lever until I can get the jack under there. Templates are king when doing these things.
You can't tell my woman.
Easiest way to work on a chassis is to have a rotating chassis jig. Done this plenty of times before. Just spin it around. You can work on every angle possible. Wouldn't do it any other way.
My woman, I'm gone.
Absolutely beautiful. Loving it.
And I ain't coming back.
The new replacement floorboards done. Really happy with the new thickness on the new toy. It's fantastic. If you're repairing holes, put a bit of tape around the hole, smear your epoxy over the top, then you don't have a whole lot of sanding to do to try and blend that out. So next step, rust converter. 2 coats of this. It will seal the steel right up so water can't get in for that. So let's see this stuff working. So next layer, this is a commercial grade zinc primer. Time for the final coat, charcoal grade. This is a hammer finish paint. It's great for covering pitted steel. It's good having it rolling again, but now that it's rolling, we also need it to stop. So I'm going to run some new brake lines. If this is not your thing, if you don't know how to do this, get an expert onto it, right? You don't want these to fail. Let's get this chassis moved and prepped. Just like that, they're reunited. It's not a fast process, it's probably about 4 hours worth of work. So slow and steady wins the day. Absolutely perfect day for finishing the floor. It's very, very hard wearing, so recommend the stuff, it's good.
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn.
Don't know why I waited so long to go get one of these sanders. They're worth their weight in gold.
Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn.
All the ends have been epoxy dowel with those handmade dowels out of cedar.
Ain't no place gonna hold
That's what the profile of the window is going to look like.
me when the road keep rolling on. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. I told her love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away.
2 hours later, it's done. A couple of chariot fronts, well that's what they look like anyway. Doors are all straightened out. Thanks Machinery House. I'll see you in the next round of I wish that I had all this equipment in my home workshop. Sally's 650 FC comes in a few different colours. It's not just a sealant, it's an adhesive sealant. Spray day is finally here after 7 months of building. Top part of the Caravan is going to be painted in pearl lust. Why do they do it? There always has to be a bug that comes to the party. In the crock pot we have Danube, but that's our blue colour.
The sun in the distance looked like a burning coin.
What a mammoth weekend, but it's done. It's time to add the external features to this old girl. Handmade cedar window.
Saw the sun in the distance looked like a burning coin. Lord, I don't need no preacher, just that dust roll to join.
This is what is left of the original bumper.
Now I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my head. Yeah, I'm rolling through the valley.
7 months work, and the outside is 100% complete. And around the back here is the new bumper and lights set up. I'm really pleased with how the bumper came out. It's a fraction of the weight, and it will be just as strong as the steel one. So looking forward to getting the inside of this thing started.
Wind hums through my head.